So yeah. So yeah. I just had files. Anyways, let's ignore that and ignore the Freddy thing. Since I know everything about this game, I know someone who doesn't know everything about a game. What? I didn't reach 1,000 clones, did I? Wait, are there unlimited clones? Can I get millions of clones? Okay, I just got all clones. And the full clones are 152. That's so many. Now I've reached my actual limit. But all of these guys are not listening to me. So I have to punish them by make them all float. And make them all come to me. Isinugod sa ospital ang mga nasugatang biktima, kabilang ang rider ng motor, ang kanyang angkas at ang driver ng SUV. Lahat naman sila conscious. Nasa stable naman na yata yung mga lagay nila as of now. So I have billions of clones. So this is clone 152. Whoa. I just almost got jump scared. What the heck? Para sa GMA Integrated News, Bon Aquino nakatutok 24 oras. Nagdulot ng pagbagal ng trapiko sa Skyway ang isang aso na namatang roon nitong bisperas ng Pasko. I like this orbit because I don't know. Ayon sa newscomer na si Erno Gabriel Bandang Quirino Avenue exit ang mabidyohan niya ang aso na tumatakbo habang binabantayan. Oh yeah, I forgot. Orbit does that. Am I the Earth? I hope I am the Earth. Whoa, wait. Those look like legs, and I shouldn't like walk, or I can because it kind of makes these 3D things. Sinabi ni Dizon na wala pa siyang ino-authenticate ang mga dokumento at files kaugnay sa mga posts. Satisfying, right? Speaking of 3D, speaking of D numbers, I have a game that is 2D. Wait. So yeah, this was the game that I was talking about, the 2D game. So the shop thingy needs gems. And also I can zoom in and out. So yeah, watch someone made this game. And they were the only one. Cause what is... So yeah, I made the game look more realistic. But RTX break my game. Cause I keep dying! Okay, one last... If I die again, I'm gonna quit this game. I almost died. Oops, try again? No. Oops, try next day. So yeah, I forgot to pause it, but the building I made is this.
So I may be bad at aiming. Yeah, because my grenades. My grenades! I got them! I better kill you, Saline. No, this is like that one game. What's that game again? Monk TD? The monkeys. Oh wait, I know. This is related to Plants vs Zombies, but we are the plants. Or we can be Crazy Dave if we want. Cause catapults resemble as plants. And the slimes resemble as... Wait, no. Please die, yeah. If you mess with one of us, you mess with all of us. No, that slime is gonna kill. Well, I haven't made the game. So this is like take 2 of my video. Cause the last video I made, whoa, no, we haven't. So, no! Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, no. Hey. This is actually why I prefer sniper. That's my sniper. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Wait, that does so many damage to slime. No! Maybe it shall be a ball. Wait, there's actually a boss. Oh yeah. Pew, 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 pew. Pew. Oh! No! The crate! This is what you get for killing my crate. You will die. Die, you little thing. Wait, I'm taking out all the letters. Now all the letters are in red. And I did it! Wait. Daniel Morgan. Tong sahur balerin. Cappuccino. So I made another one, but this time there will be walls. This must be perfect. Oh, and also I couldn't forget about the new wait. Also, like, couldn't forget about the climbing place. So I just instead get a car and doors. Why are we building some stuff that are literally... Oh! Wait, what? What happened to the car? Okay, another car is... What? Whoa! 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 The car. Stop. I shouldn't have like placed wooden doors. Fight! Is this our defense? This is so ugly. Are you sure this is our defense bacon here? Nah. Wait, I think I'm starting to sound like sentient. I do sound like sentient, but no, this is not sentient. Second channel. So yeah, when you're hearing this in the video, and while I'm just gonna screen recording, yippee! Dumb slimes, you deserve to die. Haha. Now all of you guys are gonna be dead. Good thing I'm next to here. Shoot. That's better. No, you better not take my TV. This is my defense. Our other defense is actually it's already gone. No, you better not. Ghost, no. There are so many ghosts. What the heck? All of these dumb ghosts. Why? Please? Yes. You all slimes are not allowed to be in our castle. No. Oh, yeah, and also you guys. Hey, no. That must be the most stickiest slime. Help me, please. Help. Sorry. There's some ghost. Wait. Good thing no. Good thing they are protecting my ghost. Do you protect the ghost? Sure. Oh, the cannons protect the ghost. Okay. In the top. In the castle. Well, I'm not paying attention to some slimes. I think the video might need to end here. Okay, next game. Okay, so YouTubers that are watching this may have heard this before.
This is our commitment to give you the strongest,
Yeah.
clearest, and widest coverage
This is the thing
across the country
that YouTubers have heard before.
Filipino.
But people are actually lagging my game. I didn't know that.
Patuloy niyong ibinibigay
sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta.
So it's easy to not jump.
sa inyong yakap.
Nagamang-dama namin.
In this game, you shouldn't like jump to beat this game. And YouTubers have been making videos about this that says that if you go extremely fast, the glass thingies will turn into rainbows. Except for these checkpoint thingies, they will just turn to yellow. So, anyways, I'm just almost there. What did you say? You may be not cursing. So Roblox is. I heard that Roblox is deleting R6. That's kind of sad, but I know why. Cause R6 was only available on Dynablox. Cause there's a fun fact that Roblox was called Dynablox back in the day. People might think I'm a bot because what?
Siguradong may malapit na outlet
Who
sa
broke
inyo.
some glass?
Pwede rin bumili online sa GMA Store.
Wait,
GMA
didn't
Affordabox.
I?
Malinaw na, naging mas affordable pa.
Oh, I didn't broke
Save
the.
kids when you choose to care. Join us in making a difference.
Kung sino ang mahal mo, mahal ko na.
I broke them because.
Makulit na masyado, just lock and delete. Huwag niyo nang patulan. Kahit nega sila, huwag ka lang.
It is for your mental health.
Yippee! This looks like that one. This looks like those
Let's be more
confetti thingies from Five Nights at Freddy's. You know that game, right? Oh.
Me.
It starts with me.
Together we can create the impact we need. Kindness, start now.
So the thing I like is this ball pack. But like, why couldn't I do this?
Salamat sa regalo nito, mga kapuso.
fried chicken. Na naman. Girl, sa Chowking, may mas pinasarap na.
So I must be not choosing one of those. Complete the
Ang new yan. Sa
Feeling germs
Ay,
na
what?
Pag magkasakit sila, syempre hindi. Kaya I use my trusted safeguard.
No.
Mas pinasulit, mas
Na!
protected with complete temperature.
Okay, so it's this.
Dahil kompleto tayo, handa ako ng paborito nyo. Mas buwang sarap with Joy Cubes. Buwang pizza sarap.
I'm guessing.
Sarap nito.
Yes! Yes! Woohoo! My
Galing talaga.
oh shoot! I just didn't. Can I just throw a bunch of little kids? Oh!
Well, fish.
Wait, that is also the one that disappeared.
Dapat mag-ingat sa usok.
Ang order mo for today naman. Sa dami ng
What is happening?
hindi magsisisi. Magtiwala
What?
sa Will Kit
There are admins
trusted by
in this?
doctors and moms nationwide.
Wait, what? How are you using that?
Nagdadalawang isip ka ba, Mikenas? Nagdalawang isip
Wait, I
ba
need
si
to go
Alejandro?
fast for this one.
Hindi
So
ka
I
na niya
have to go
palalayain.
back there.
Kahit ikaw siya, Bea, o kahit sino mang
Wait, no, this is classic. Yeah, because you can paint yourself naked. Wait, no, why speed 1? No. Speed 5, 10, normal speed, speed 100. So yeah, this speed changes. Oh my God. So yeah, this speed changes.
Nag-aatumig ka pa. Ayokong sayangin ang panahon mo sa'yo, Ned.
But I don't know why some people are just making it.
Palayain mo ko. At ako'y aalit sa'yo.
With some of these thingies.
Magsisisyan ang nagmas niya. Ikaw at ako ay mag-isang malakas na puwes laban sa buong lipunan. Tanya.
Hindi na ako kulitin.
Wait!
Salamat sa pagkalis.
Ang nararapat.
There was that room all along? I didn't know that was there.
Tuloy sa silgaran. Kaya na.
Change my speed to 100. And then no. So it's kind of satisfying but when you stop, it doesn't get satisfying. So that secret room. So if I fall, then maybe I can now
Wala kang hawak.
go to the tracking. Oh no, I actually couldn't.
Nakakalat kay Albert. Huwag kayong pabalik sa parasyon na hindi siya naaanak.
Susunod. Tulong ko sa'yo.
So yeah, I think I might end the video here because I'm spinning, but I have one last game, and that's this. Referring Pirates. Oh wait, we all already lose. Oh, just kidding. We all didn't. Cause I'm in my airboat. Yeah, you know that. So to Mike win, wait, what? There are so many. I wasn't paying attention. Oh yay, red is gone. Wait, yellow has been eliminated. Oh, I wish I haven't died. Blue has won the match. Wait, what? Did pink lose?
Puro na nang mabibigat yung nakikita natin.
Naghanap, pagnanakaw,
Wait. Oh, ships! Yeah! So what? Wait, what? Why? I hope I'm gonna be in purple. Team player. Mega ship.
Kilala natin lahat.
No!
Sige, Rice Series.
Sabihin mo nga sa akin, ano ba talagang mahal ng gold?
Yung pera mo,
Kapag ba hindi mo siya tumatanggap, wala nang palapat ng mahalin.
I am rooting for.
Balikan ang kwento ng butot balat na batang nagkaroon ng bagong pag-asa sa buhay. Ang star of the new generation, the Cecilian Award, may mga doppelganger daw. Kapuso mo, Jessica Soho.
Oh my gosh.
Ito pa talaga yung best gift para sa akin.
PBB Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0, 9:40 p.m.
For the record, we were not forced to speak today.
The first one we're gonna name is someone we've had our eyes on for quite some time now. Siya ang may pakana ng lahat ng criminal activities sa buong Kalabahan.
So yeah, I hate the pink team.
Game show,
You tell me,
talk show,
where are you loyal?
So I'm gonna have the blue team. Purple
ito
team.
ang Sunday night
But
7:15 p.m.
but
Enjoy it.
but I couldn't. So I'm just gonna let purple win
It's showtime.
while I'm gonna AFK in my.
Di ka bagay dito. Baka gustuhan mo. Ako na sa ano nito.
Challenge accepted.
We're gonna AFK there. Everyone must be curious on why I'm gonna AFK, but Sentitan, if you're watching this channel, I'm literally not a fan of you. Just kidding, I'm a fan of you.
Pinakamasasayang na episodes ng 2025.
Bata pa lang kami, idol na namin ang
So ever since I have no my purple
Hindi
team,
ako makikipag-game sa isang taong may masama plan.
I hate the pink team.
Mas patak ng 5:40 p.m.
Sino gusto na yung 200,000 pesos?
Intermission.
Family Feud. Stories have the power to change lives.
I better not like
Binahagi niyo yung kwento niyo sa amin at dahil doon, marami rin tumulong.
purple.
Lahat po yan parte ng reclamation project.
Naninindigan.
Nadata natin dito yung mga nagpo-protesta.
Ilalaban po namin.
Patuloy na nagbibigay ng serbisyong totoo. Ang most awarded broadcast journalist. Ang most awarded news magazine sa Pilipinas. Hatid ang mga world-class na kwento ng Pilipino.
I'm gonna try to infect you. No, get back here. Get back here. I'm gonna infect you. Kaboom. Yes, now you're infected! The team I hate is green team. So I'm gonna AFK up in the sky. In case someone shoots me, that is on other team. Guy. Nope, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I'm innocent.
Mega Manila. North Luzon.
Wait, did they explode? Yes, purple.
Western Visayas.
Trevor, yes. Gold.
Northern Mindanao.
Gold. Blue team has
Southern
been
Mindanao.
eliminated.
Sorsogen. Zamboanga.
Chest.
ARMA. This is
Explode the
Arco
chest.
to give you the strongest,
Yes.
widest
Now I have
coverage across the
gold.
country.
Wait, the blue team is not eliminated because I still see the ship But I think there are no more checkpoints here. Wait, what? Why did the game said blue team was eliminated when there are still some blue checkpoints?
Maraming salamat mga kapuso. Let's celebrate mataas na kahon count.
Is that a glitch or is that a prank?
Mataas na kahon Batangas with Bernita, Jennifer, Lee, Bryce, Liz, Hannah, Ara, and EA. Let's welcome 2026 with fun.
I'm pretty sure green team is not gonna win.
Now, Christmas crayon bars. Creamy sweet angel condensada. Fried chicken, banana, girl, sa Chowking.
Oh wait, that's my team. I forgot. Whoa! 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 Red team. You need to be eliminated. You're lagging the server.
Yala, stop. Can't stop finger combing my hair with my new Palmolive Naturals.
Red team must be eliminated. Are you red team?
Palmolive Naturals.
I hope you are.
Oh, shucks.
Oh yeah, you're purple team. I'm team purple guy. Ooh, treasure. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you.
Fried chicken.
I'm on your team. Why? No, purple team. I got orange. Purple. Yes. Gotta explode everything, red team. I'm sorry. Boom, boom, boom. Green team has been eliminated. Yes, green team. Die. 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 Are we literally even winning? Never mind, we are not. Why? You were supposed to be in our team.
Lubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema.
We somehow won. No, Bacon, you are just
Na hindi
dumb.
angkop sa mga bata.
We're just a dumb dummy. Ooh, alive. I'm gonna join. Okay, wait. I think this. So yeah, this was the game that my favorite YouTuber played, and it's CKN Toys. The problem with this game is that guy is my father. Yeah. Also, the other problem with this game is, why do I have yellow and orange? Oh, I'm supposed to bring the lights. This is the orange room. Oh. I should find the white room
Orange naman.
in case to escape. Did you die, Adam Pogi? Wait, no. Wait, no. You are.